Previously on the ultimate Stickman adventure, Stickman had to face his biggest threat yet, being left alone in the darkness. But what was in the darkness was a dog, a cute one. Then at the end of episode 2, the bird came down from the sky and surprised Stickman. Now we continue our journey. Okay, so let me hear this again. You're trying to kill me. Why would you be trying to do that?
Oh, you've been making fun of my voice. Ka-ka, I'm calling for some backup.
So, while we're waiting for my backup to arrive, I'm gonna tell you about my horrible, horrible powers and their privileges. So, my problem is that I can that cacawing comes in every 5 seconds.
And my other problem is my voice
Tone keeps on changing every 5 seconds and I cannot control it. And now, my powers. I have the eye of the golden bird. An item that was created eons ago. Now, here's my evil plan. I'm gonna use the golden eye of the bird to destroy the world and unleash its powers against everybody. Why would you do that? What do you hate about the world? And you still never answered my question. Why are you trying to kill me?
It'll come in the future.
I'll tell you later. Okay, just one more question. Are you saying you're cacawing and your voice changes every 5 seconds because of the golden egg eye? The golden chicken eye? What is it? The golden eagle eye? Oh yeah, it's the golden bird eye. So yes to your question. My cacawing and my voice changing every 5 seconds is because of the golden eye. So it's a curse and power. Oh, that makes a lot of sense. Thanks, Birdie. Call me Birdie. You know what? Whatever. Hey, look, my backup's here.